The ocean's depths conceal countless mysteries, but sometimes the most unsettling secrets lie closer to the surface. Tonight, we're diving into a story that'll send shivers down your spine, a drone's terrifying discovery within an abandoned ocean liner. Our story begins with a group of urban explorers, thrill-seekers drawn to the allure of forgotten places. Their target, a colossal, long-abandoned ocean liner, a relic of a bygone era. For years, the ship had sat silently, a ghost on the water, beckoning those brave enough to venture inside. Equipped with state-of-the-art drones, they planned a midnight exploration. The goal was to capture stunning visuals of the ship's interior, a forgotten world of ballrooms, cabins, and engine rooms. The drone, a nimble machine equipped with high-definition cameras, began its journey. It navigated through the ship's dark, decaying corridors. The eerie silence was broken only by the hum of the drone's propellers and the distant creaks of the ship. As the drone explored deeper, it encountered signs of the ship's long abandonment, rusted furniture, peeling paint, and the unsettling stillness of the air. Then the drone reached the ship's grand ballroom, an enormous space that once hosted lavish parties. Moonlight filtered through the grimy windows, casting long, dancing shadows. Suddenly, the drone's camera captured something truly unsettling. A dark, indistinct shape seemed to move in the shadows. It was a large, amorphous form, unlike anything the explorers had anticipated. The drone's feed became erratic, the image flickering. The explorers watched in disbelief, their excitement quickly turning to dread. The shape moved again, closer to the drone. Then it vanished as quickly as it had appeared. The drone's signal cut out, plunging the explorers into silence. Did they see a trick of the light or something far more sinister? Could it have been some unknown creature, or simply an illusion created by shadows and decay? To this day, the truth remains a mystery. The footage of the drone's discovery went viral, sparking countless theories and debates. The abandoned ocean liner remains a place of both fascination and fear. Some believe the ship is haunted, while others dismiss the sighting as a mere anomaly. One thing is certain: the drone's exploration captured something truly terrifying, a glimpse into the unknown that continues to haunt the imagination. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more tales of the unexplained.